Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Winrar is installed and file associations are active so archives open correctly. Once ready, find the archived file in Downloads or your chosen folder. Right-click the archive and select Open with Winrar, or simply double-click to load the archive into Winrar's interface. You do this now so you can inspect contents and decide where to extract. This step shows the file list, sizes, and compression method, which matters for extraction options you'll choose next. Once the archive is open, click Extract to reveal destination and advanced options. You should set a clear target folder so files land where you expect. Choose full paths if you want nested folders preserved. Make sure to enter a password when prompted for encrypted archives and pick Overwrite rules, Ask, Overwrite, or Skip, based on whether duplicates exist. If you face damaged files, enable Keep Broken Files only as a last resort. These choices determine file placement and integrity during extraction. You now click OK to extract and watch the progress bar and log for errors. If Winrar finishes cleanly, inspect the destination folder to confirm files open correctly. If extraction fails, first make sure the password is correct and try re-downloading the archive. Partial downloads often corrupt archives. If corruption persists, try Winrar's repair function or alternate tools like Unzip. These steps help you recover or identify a bad source so you can complete extraction successfully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.